So, you want to make passive income.
Damn right.
These are my favorite 10 ways to do it.
Create your very own OnlyFans account.
And Roberto is here because I like his content. And his video like this got 1.5 million views. So I figured I'd remake it.
So here are 10 ways that you can actually start making passive income, and a lot of them are really easy and you can do them right now. For one thing, if you don't own your own intellectual property, it's okay. You can do what's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing through programs like Amazon or Commission Junction, or even through individual web hosting companies like Bluehost and GoDaddy and 1&1, all allow you to sell their products or their services, and you will get a commission for it. Show me the money! That's what affiliate marketing is. So if you read a book like, let's say, the Ask Gary Vee book, which is one of the best books to buy right now, it is a blueprint for entrepreneurship. So buy that book with the link in the description below. See what I just did? That is affiliate marketing. So
now this is true. As someone that's been working with affiliate marketing, the one thing I will say is you still need to have an audience of people for this to work. Now, I've seen creators on TikTok make a ton of money showing off things you might need on TikTok. Then they send you to their Amazon store, which they get a commission on. But if you're not good at making content and your videos flop, well, you're not gonna get the traffic you need to get paid. So the good news is you can get a commission on almost anything you sell on Amazon. I had an affiliate link for condoms before. But the bad news is you have to get traffic to get paid. The second best way for you to make passive income is working with stock footage websites like Storyblock.
there is a such thing as stock video, stock photography, and stock audio. By selling stock resources, you can actually make royalties off of that forever as well. If you're a photographer and you shot, some great landscapes, or you have some stuff that you bought from the dollar store and you shot it against a white background like a piggy bank, marketers like me buy stock photos by the droves all the time to use for banner ads and for print ads and for billboards and for things like that.
Yeah, I pay Storyblock about $200 a year just to use their B-roll videos. But they don't have a lot of options when it comes to black creators. So if you decide to upload content, you'll definitely end up in one of my videos. I mean, I use other races too, but I'm black.
Allegedly.
Anyways, the pay is based off this chart, which has members who pay monthly and yearly. And they have people that just buy an individual photo or video. The more people that download your videos, the more money you'll make. And the thing is, once you make the videos, you'll continue to get passive income from it. And Storyblock isn't the only company that sells stock footage. And in some cases, you can sell that same stock footage to other websites.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tip 3 is selling t-shirts on Teesprings. I made a whole video on how to do that. I'll leave it in the link below. Because I sell shirts on Teesprings, and there are other companies that do it too. This hoodie is from Teesprings. Basically, you put a design you made on a shirt or hoodie, and when people buy my $25 shirt, I get $15. If they buy my $40 hoodie, I get $22. Oh, and you can set your own price too. So if I wanted to sell this hoodie for $60, I'd make $42 a hoodie.
Oh my God, you got money.
Tip 4, Airbnb. Now, Airbnb isn't completely passive, but it's close, and I've recently learned how to get leases in my business name, all for free from people on the internet. So my plan for this channel is to show you the whole process, my failures and success. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. Tip 5 is write a children's book or make a planner to sell. I'm not gonna bullshit you. You'll probably never see me write a book, but a kid's book, I can do. Maybe a kid's book on counting money, or maybe it won't have words at all, like a coloring book. Either way, you can sell it and make money on Amazon. And once again, as your influence grows on social media, so will your book profits. So this is another thing I've seen successful influencers do, and eventually, I plan to do it too.
I look like I give a fuck?
Tip 6 is sell ads on your car. You could make from $100 to $500 a month to put ads on your car. You can't lose in this situation, especially if your car is already paid off. And if you're already doing Uber, it doesn't hurt to make extra money by putting ads on your car. Tip 6A is rent your car out on Turo. Now, I've heard negative and positive feedback on doing that. Tip 7 is fairly simple. Stake your crypto. You can get up to 12% staking on crypto.com. Now, this is very risky, but depending on your age, if you're in your 20s or 30s like me, I think you should take risks because high risk, high rewards. And no, this is not financial advice, but I invested in crypto.com's coin when it was at 19 cents, getting me 6% on my money. And let's say in 2022, it gets back up to the dollar that it was almost. I'll make 5 times my money plus 6%, which is about, I don't know how much of a percent of return on my money. It's a lot. But like I said, you could lose money. But if you want to play it safe, you can put your money in a stable coin and get 12% return by putting your money in something like USDC, which is basically the dollar. It doesn't go up or down. It stays $1 and you get 12% on that money. Tip 8, start an OnlyFans account. Starting an OnlyFans account can be very lucrative. You can start an OnlyFans account by, I'm just fucking with y'all. Tip 8 is be an influencer manager. And yes, that may include OnlyFans. But let's be honest, not everyone becomes a successful influencer.
Stop a show.
Including me. I might not be it either.
Okay.
But I've learned enough from people like Roberto to manage content. And if you become successful at managing creators, you can 100% hire employees and start making passive income for this business, especially if you start dealing with micro influencers like me. I've never gotten a brand deal before. My focus is getting out content, but if someone wanted to reach out to brand deals on my behalf, I'd absolutely work with them and pay them commission for anything they find. Tip 9 is sell digital products if you're an influencer, or you can put them on companies like Skillshare. Tip 10 is start a YouTube channel or podcast. These two are the most important because you can create different streams of passive income from all of them. I'm tired of talking. I'm out.